change your stance. All right. And now come to the back leg, swing over the back leg, and keep yourself in the hip flexed position. So I'm hip flexed, my tailbone is back, and here I'm going to press a little bit into the toes of the back leg. Press, and then slowly release and come to the swing. Press back, slowly release, swing. All from the hip joint. Press back, slowly release. Press back into the toes of the back leg, and then release.